Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the wooden nose filter on TikTok. Very simple and easy to do. Some people also call this the Pinocchio filter. So either one of those, this is the filter that you're looking for. All you have to do is head over to your TikTok application to get it. Once you're on TikTok, you want to go over to your Discover tab and you just want to search for wooden nose. So just type in wooden nose and then click on search. And then what we're going to do here is just find a video with the filter on it. So any one of these on my screen right now would work. So we just want to click on it. And then right above the person's username, you'll see there's this yellow link with the name of the filter there. You can go ahead and click on that. And then you'll see right at the top here, it says add to favorites. You want to add that to your favorites. So now you're able to go to your favorite filters and be able to make your own videos on TikTok with it. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to get the wooden nose filter on TikTok. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.